Welcome to the podcast where we dive deep into emerging technologies and concepts reshaping our digital world. Today, we're exploring Union, a groundbreaking infrastructure layer that's revolutionizing how we send messages, transfer assets, and engage with NFTs and DeFi, all while keeping things hyper-efficient and secure. So, what exactly is Union? Well, at its core, Union is built on a unique concept called consensus verification. This means it doesn't rely on any trusted third parties, no oracles, no multi-signatures, and no complex multi-party computations. It's designed to be straightforward and efficient, which is something we're all craving in the increasingly complex world of blockchain technology. Now, if you're wondering, how does it even connect with different blockchain ecosystems? Union implements inter-blockchain communication, or IBC. This is a game changer for compatibility, especially with Cosmos chains. And it's not limited to just Cosmos. Union connects with Ethereum and EVM chains like Barricane and Arbitrum. So it's like the universal language for different blockchains to communicate. But that's not all. One of the coolest features of Union is its decentralized governance. This means that the evolution of the protocol, including upgrades and configurations, is controlled by the community. In a way, it allows the users themselves, like validators and operators, to steer the direction of the project. It's all about aligning priorities among those who use the platform. Let's break down some components behind Union. We have Union D, which is the node implementation using Comet BLS and Go. There's also Galois D, a zero-knowledge prover implementation. It sounds complicated, right? But this technology is crucial for securing transactions without revealing any sensitive information. Then there's Voyager, a cross-ecosystem relayer that enhances performance, and Hubble, a multi-ecosystem chain indexer. Essentially, these components work together to boost the functionality of Union across various blockchain platforms. Now, if you're thinking about getting involved with Union as a developer, I've got some pretty straightforward steps for you. You'll want to install Nix, which helps you reproducibly build any component. I mean, how great is that? You can enter a dev shell that includes all the necessary dependencies without messing with your personal setup. Just run a simple curl command, and you're good to go. It's user-friendly for developers on different operating systems, too. So what's the end goal here? Union is seeking to make blockchain interactions smoother and more accessible for everyone. With hyper-performant capabilities and a focus on decentralization, it aims to change the game in how we think about digital communication and finance. Before we wrap up, let's think about this. How might this infrastructure layer change our daily interactions with digital assets? Imagine a world where transferring an asset or sending a message is just as easy as sending an email. What do you think that will mean for industries like finance, art, and beyond? Well, that's a wrap for today's episode. Keep pondering those big questions as we watch Union and other innovations develop in the blockchain space. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time on the podcast.